What is your name, what organization do you work for, and what is your position?
My name is Fulvio Lino Di Blasio, and I am the president of the North Adriatic Sea Port Authority, as well as I am the special commissioner of the government for the cruise and the special commissioner for Monte Sindial, another strategic investment in our port.
Do you have personnel within the organization dedicated to the energy transition, decarbonization issues? If so, please describe.
Yes, we do have, let me say, two special units. One is dedicated to the fundraising for this special project. It's a unit that is working closely with the public administration, with the European Commission, in order to get as much as possible from this institution. And secondly, we have a technical team that is dedicated to help the Port Authority, our concessionaire, our partners in the transition into a green port system.
What role do you think public authorities should have in promoting the energy transition in ports?
First of all, in our strategic plans, we have to dedicate one special pillars to energy transition, as we have done in our port and in other ports in our country. Secondly, we have to invest a lot in training. So we need knowledge, and so we have to train our engineers, our colleagues, in order to be ready for this new challenge. And the third pillar is to work with our concessionaire. I mean, we have to put a clear indication in the criteria for choosing the new concessionaire, criteria that are linked to the green transition. We can no more allow us to choose investment that are not linked to this priority.
What are the main economic barriers that stop or hinder green investments in your organization?
So first of all is the cost, because new technologies, new investment in this area are really a challenge for us. So in my opinion, we have two main actions. First of all, to create and to study exemption from the state aid rules. So a public investment, a public intervention in order to support these investments. And on the other hand, I would suggest a strong effort in financing research in order to harmonize the different technicalities and the different tools that we have to share among all the ports that are involved in this challenge.
What type of economic support or incentives would be useful for your organization to promote the energy transition in ports?
Public incentives, for sure. We have to reduce the taxes, and we have also to reduce the administrative burden that is linked to to launch these new initiatives. So both administrative simplification and financial support.
Have you carried out any energy transition or decarbonization projects within your organization?
First of all, by planning our capacity to measure our emissions. So we used the ASP, that is our document with the base for the monitoring our emissions. And now we are in the process of drafting a new strategic document that is called Green Energy Plan, that will help us towards the net zero emission system. We have been using also the results of the Healing project, that is a project financed by the Connecting Europe facility, by the European Commission. And we are also had the chance to receive public funds for some important projects. First of all, I would mention the onshore power supply investment. We have got roughly 90 million euros to plan cold ironing in Venice and Marghera. And on the other hand, in the last years, we have been launching and signing a voluntary agreements called Blue Flag. So all the cruise and now also the goods ships calling Venice agreed on switching their fuel system into a low sulfur fuel. So we are in this case reducing a lot the emission and the impact on the city and on the citizen.